Welcome back to iOS Sprinter course. In this upcoming session, I'm going to discuss about in details of notifications. There are so many notifications. And just for your information, even in the iOS 10, the upcoming real operating system of iOS, that's called iOS 10. So in the iOS 10, they have released two new frameworks for notifications. So I'll be explaining about each and everything in the iOS 10 sessions. But now in this notifications, we have so many things needs to be considered. Look at this. There are so many important concepts here for the notifications. Creating the local notifications and local notifications and user notifications as well. And properties of the local notifications like schedule time, notification types, and custom data with the custom data actually. These are properties of the local notifications. And even the most important push notifications. So I have a proper plan for you for explaining about this push notification. I'm showing you the real example how we can push the notifications from your device. I mean, from our server. So that server can be anything. It can be a PHP code or it can be a real server. So I have an example with the PHP code because I don't have any server with me. So I can do it in two ways. One is from the CloudKit based notifications, and one more thing is push notifications from the PHP file. So I have a clear examples for you to make you understand clear examples like the APNS, how APNS acts on behalf of you, your messages, and how your client means your code, and how your server means the one who is taking care in between your code and APNS, who is nothing but provider. We also call them as the providers. This server is nothing but providers here, and I'll be explaining the flow between the communication between APNS and the provider and the client, and how you're going to handle the push notification from client with application delegate methods. Okay, because whenever you receive any notifications, if you click that notification, suddenly what happens? It will route to some screen like the navigation that is called. So that things I'm going to explain to you in detail. And the most importantly, we don't have generally until and unless you buy this $99 account, Apple account, means developer account, you may not have the exposure to see how to create the SSL certificates and server certificates and profiles and app IDs, and how to enable the push notification from the app ID itself. So all those things I already have the account, so I would like to share that information to you all from my account so that you'll be having clear idea about how to do all these things in a sequential manner and to deliver a proper push notification to all your respective users devices with a proper clear example. So I have a special example here. So push notification with the help of PHP code and push notification with the help of iCloud dashboard methods. So I'm going to explain you each and everything. And of course, one more importantly, broadcasting notification. This is really important to notify a small information to all the screens of your application. Let us say a small example here. If you want to, if you're going to change a language, suddenly what happens? The whole application letters and the words gets changed to that particular language. How generally that kind of scenario is generally we apply with this NS notification centers. Means it's something like a broadcasting an SMS to all the mobiles. It's something like that. We are going to use that kind of logic in this in our applications. So I'm going to explain each and everything in detail. All right. Yeah. So if you have any questions related to this, you can contact me at below mail ID and even in the at my blogs. So even this is what you're going to see in my iOS Sprinter course. You can even freely download this iOS app and see all my course content. So whatever you're seeing here, so it will be there in your app simply. Thank you so much for your time.